And welcome back to Primetime Sports Sunday. Let's bowl off with cricket. The Jamaica Scorpions head into the regional 4-day break on a losing note after going down by 118 runs to the Windward Islands Volcanoes early on Sunday's fourth and final day at the Darren Sammy Ground in St. Lucia. Needing 398 to win, the Scorpions resumed at 201 for 7, but fell for 279 to hand the Volcanoes their first win of the 2017-18 season. Dean Smith 40 and Fabian Allen 42 staged a lower order fight for the Jamaican franchise before both were dismissed. Kyle Mears was the pick of the Volcanoes bowlers with 5 for 72, make that 5 for 92, while DeLon Johnson had 2 for 71. Further afield, Australia are 6 wickets away from regaining the Ashes from England as the English head into the final day of the third test on 132 for 4. Still trailing by 127 at the Waka in Perth.
Day 4 at the Waka began with Australia 4 for 549, with Steve Smith and Mitch Marsh looking to build on their 301-run stand. Though Jimmy Anderson put an end to that, Marsh unable to add to his 181.
Second ball, Anderson's got something right.
Steve Smith was next, trapped in front for 239. With Mitchell Starc run out, Australia losing 3 for 12.
Going down, there could be a run out. Can England keep it together? They do.
Tim Payne and Pat Cummins settled.
Good shot. Clever shot from Tim Payne. He was waiting for that.
And Cummins was hit.
Oh, a little elbow or arm guard.
Before he hit back.
Or Cummins.
Oh, here we go. That made a beautiful sound. Don't worry about it, boundary rider, because it's into the crowd.
Cummins fell, chasing quick runs.
That's out. Yeah, it's dipped in with that breeze.
Smith declaring at 9 for 662.
Josh Hazelwood bat, he declares with that score.
And it took no time at all for Josh Hazelwood to break through.
And that's out. The first strike. Lovely line, lovely length.
Before this spectacular catch gave him a second.
In the air and it's taken. Hazelwood. The magic catch.
Joe Root attacked before Lyon pounced on the English skipper.
For 60.
Yo, he's worth outside edge of the gloves. Steve Smith can do no wrong.
But couldn't outlast a scintillating Starc.
Oh, that's a beauty. Mitchell Starc right through him.
David Milana and Johnny Bairstow resuming their partnership before rain spelt a premature end to the day's play. England 4 for 132, still trailing by 127 runs.